This is the license plate light LED conversion kit for all 2010 to 2014 Mustangs. The license plate light LED conversion kit is going to be for those of you out there that are looking to upgrade or replace your lighting with a bright white LED light for both appearance and just for plain old visibility, and all for about 30 bucks. LED lights like the bulbs in this kit here have very long lives and use very little power. I'll get into more detail later on, but I can tell you that I'm going to call this an easy install, a 1 out of 3 wrenches in the difficulty meter. This kit includes 2 white LED bulbs that are for the license plate area. There are 3 LEDs in each bulb. These are bright white LED that are more powerful and give more visibility than the factory bulbs do, but at the same time, like a normal LED, they require less power. Probably not the thing you're most concerned with, but still something to consider. The bulbs are rated at 100,000 hours of continuous use, so they're gonna have a nice long life, and you're not looking at needing to replace these constantly. 100,000 hours of runtime is enough to most likely last the length of the vehicle's life. As far as the install goes, this is going to be a 1 out of 3 wrenches in the difficulty meter. You can plan on spending about 15 minutes to get the install completed. All that you'll need as far as tools is a Phillips head screwdriver so you can pop out the old light holder from the license plate bulb. Once that's out, you simply swap out the bulb for your new LED bulbs. I would just test the lights quick just to make sure they're working properly before you put things back together. So that's going to cover things for the license plate light LED conversion kit for the 2010 to 2014 Mustang, but you can check this kit out more online right here at AmericanMuscle.com.